G'day guys, welcome to our morning cleaning routine. So we have a morning cleaning routine and an evening cleaning routine. I did the evening cleaning routine last year in Vlogmas, so if you'd like to check that out, I'll leave that in the description below. So with these two routines, I just find that I'm not cleaning all day. So if you like what you see, please subscribe and let's get into the video. So we start our morning when Sophie wakes up. We go grab her, bring her into our bed. I give her a breastfeed. Once we've finished feeding, had a little bit of a play and we're both ready to get up, then it's time to make the bed. Now my bed making skills are super basic. I literally just pull the sheets up and the blankets and the doona and fluff out a couple of pillows and that's it. Sophie tends to hang around and supervise while I'm doing it. After I've chucked all the pillows on the bed, then I go to my bedside table, pick up the baby monitor, my water bottle that I'm going to fill for the day, and then we go on downstairs. So that's the bed made. Now Dave is an Adelaide Crows supporter, not me. I support the Essendon Bombers. Dave's home this morning, so we share the routine together because it's the same one we do every morning. So we start by opening up the curtains and letting in some light. We then open up the dishwasher and let the steam out. We like to let it finish just before we get up. We found if it's sitting in there for a couple of hours, then the water droplets just stay all over your crockery. We get Sophie's breakfast ready first, which is peanut butter toast, sit her in the high chair, and while she's eating her toast, then we boil the kettle. Dave makes the breakfast and I empty the dishwasher. I always tend to empty the bottom shelf first so that if there is any water still around, it's not going to wet dry dishes. If some of the items are really wet, then I put a tea towel on the opposite bench and just take them from the dishwasher to there to dry. Sometime during the day, then I'll put them away once they're dry. By the time the dishwasher's finished, Dave's got our breakfast sorted, so we're having oatmeal and grapes and a cup of tea, and we sit down and enjoy that with Sophie. Then once she's finished her toast, give her a wipe down, pick up the big pieces of toast, chuck it out on the balcony, and take our muck mat, which is underneath, and throw that over the side of the balcony. I then use the method which is non-toxic. The smell we're using at the moment is French lavender, and use that to wipe down Sophie's high chair. Dave removes all the dishes from the kitchen table and takes that over to the dishwasher. What we've actually been finding is that the oatmeal doesn't come off. Because we put the dishwasher on at night, the oatmeal's stayed on there all throughout the day and become really hard on the bowls. So what we've been doing is putting some water in the bowls just for like an hour or two and then popping it in the dishwasher. And then it begins, you start filling the dishwasher again. While Dave does that, I come back and give the table a spray and wipe with that Method all-purpose cleaner. Then I head on downstairs and empty the washing machine. So we put the washing on overnight so that it's ready to go in the morning and it's off peak with our electricity company. Now today is actually a Saturday morning, so while Dave hangs the washing, Dave likes to start from the lowest hanger first and then work his way up to the top. So because it's a Saturday, I'm going to fill the washing machine with more clothes because it's off peak as well. Sophie's giving me a bit of a hand with this. We're using Omo Ultimate as our washing powder at the moment, and then I put it on. Now for some reason the door doesn't automatically shut, so after giving it a kick, it's ready to go. Then Dave's got all the clothes done. Because it's a beautiful sunny day, we're going to take it outside to dry. I head back upstairs and begin vacuuming. Now I don't vacuum everywhere, I tend to vacuum Sophie's mat and around the kitchen table and in the kitchen, just the high traffic areas. But if I know another room needs a bit of a clean, like this morning Sophie's room's got a lot of pilling on her floor, then I'm going to go give that a vacuum as well. I tend to vacuum in the morning because Sophie's awake. At night she's asleep and I don't want to do anything that could wake her up, and she's a very light sleeper, and if she hears us doing things in other rooms she just wants to be involved. So that's why I tend to vacuum in the morning. Last night we folded up Sophie's clothes, but because she was asleep we couldn't put them away, so we're just putting them away now. We use cloth nappies when we're at home, so at the moment Dave's adding some disposable cloth liners and then popping them away. The liners take a little while to do, so while he's doing that, I'm going to go back to the kitchen and empty the bin. So what we found, if we have bags in the first little bin, then we can do it all in one step process. Take the bag out and put the next clean bag in, and take this one outside to the bin, and then it's done. In the next kitchen cupboard we have our recycling box, so I just grab that and take that outside as well. That's our morning routine done, so we can get out and enjoy our day. Please subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks for watching. Take care. Let me know what other cleaning videos you'd like to see so I can do them for you. Alrighty, until next time. Bye.